So we are starting our class. Today we'll start playing with numbers exercise 5A word problems. In this exercise you have the word problems which are quite similar with the word problems of linear equation chapter. So far we haven't done this chapter linear equation. So when you will be doing linear equation chapter, then you can see that the sums which are in this exercise and the sums which are in the exercise of word problems of linear equation are quite similar. So I will request everyone to read the first question. What is the first question? The unit digit of a two-digit number is 3 and 7 times the sum of the digits is the number itself. First of all, tell me if 49 is a two-digit number, then 9 is called the unit digit and 4 is called the tens place digit. Okay? So in a two-digit number, we have one digit or unit digit and one tens place digit. This number 49 is obtained by multiplying 10 with the unit digit, with the tens place digit and 1 with the unit digit, and then we have to sum it up. So 49 is obtained by multiplying 10 with 4, 1 with 9, and then by adding 40 plus 9, it gives you 49. Okay. So this is the basic concept of a two-digit number. Now read the question again. What is given? The unit digit of a two-digit number is 3. So unit digit, it is 3. To be a two-digit number, we must have a tens place digit which is not given here. So let us consider it to be x. Okay. So write down, let the tens place digit be x. I will request everyone first understand the sum, then I will give you time to copy the sum. Okay. Let the tens place digit be x. Therefore, what will be the number? X into 10 plus 3 into 1. X into 10 gives you 10x. 3 into 1 gives you 3. So this is the number. And sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means x plus 3. Just in the case of the number 49, the sum of the digits was 4 plus 9, that is 13. Here the sum of the digits is x plus 3. We cannot add them up because x is a variable and 3 is a constant number. So after writing this one, we have to find out the sum of the digits and the number. Therefore, the sum of the digits is x plus 3 and the number is 10x plus 3. Okay. Now read the second line. 7 times the sum of the digits is the number itself. 7 times means 7 times the sum of the digits means 7 into x plus 3. That is 7x plus 21 is the number itself, that is 10x plus 3. So we got an equation. Write down, therefore by the problem 7 times the sum of the digits, that is 7 into x plus 3 is the number itself, that is 10x plus 3. Okay. Multiply, that imply 7x plus 21 equal to 10x plus 3. Next step, take the number containing x on the left hand side. So it will be 7x. This 10x is plus. It doesn't have any sign over here. That means it is plus. So when it changes the side, it becomes minus 10x. Similarly, when plus 21 comes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 21. We had plus 3 in the right hand side, so we have kept it as it is. Now calculate 7x minus 10x, that imply minus 3x equal to 3 minus 21, that is minus 18. Okay, minus 3x equal to minus 18. Next step we are doing here. That imply x will be minus 18 by minus 3. Minus 18 by minus 3, calculate, it is 6. Okay. So you got the value of 6. Therefore, what will be the number? 63. So last line, answer line, it will be, as I do not have any extra space, so I am writing the answer line here. Therefore, the number is 63. Okay. So I will request everyone copy the sum. Okay, in question number 2, what is given? In a 2-digit number, the digit at the unit place is double the digit in the tens place. Read it carefully. In a 2-digit number, the digit at the unit place is double the digit in the tens place. So first of all, we will construct this box. Here we will write unit digit, here tens place digit. What is given? The unit digit is twice the tens place digit. So that means we have to consider the tens place digit first. That is x we are considering. So the unit digit, it will be twice, that is 2x. Do you have any doubt? If you have doubt, read the statement once again. What is given? In a 2-digit number, the digit in the unit place is double the digit in the tens place. So we have to consider the tens place digit first. Therefore, automatically the unit digit will be 2x as per the given condition. So write down, let the tens place digit be x. Therefore, the unit digit is 2x. Now read the next line. The number exceeds the sum of the digits by 18. So for that case, we have to find out the sum of the digits first. Sum of the digits digits, it will be x plus 2x, that is 3x, and the number will be 10 times the 10 plus digit. So 10 into x, 10x, 10 into x, 10x, plus unit digit 2x, that is 12x. Now what is given? The number exceeds the sum of the digits by 18. This term exceeds, underline it. You may find it very confusing word. Exceeds means the number is 12x. Do not write it, just understand. The number is 12x. The sum of the digits is 3x. Exceeds means this one minus this one equal to 18. Exceeds means the number is greater than the sum of the digits by 18. That is, if we subtract the sum of the digits from the number, we will give 18. Okay? So, we have to write down. Therefore, we are writing these things in the rough. Why? To understand, to make it clear to you. But this is our actual sum. So, we have to just write these two things over here. Therefore, sum of the digits equal to x plus 2x equal to 3x, and the number is 10x plus 2x, that is 12x. Okay. Therefore, by the problem, what is given? The number, that is 12x, exceeds, that means subtraction sign, the sum of the digits, that is 3x, by 18 means equal to 18. So this is your equation. 12x minus 3x, it gives you 9x. That implies 9x equal to 18. So x will be, that implies x will be 18 by 9, so equal to 2. Okay. So you got the value of x. X is 2. So the number will be 12 into 2, 24, or 2 and 2x means 2 2s are 4, 24. So write down, therefore the number is 12 into 2, that is 24. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Now, question number 4. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 15. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 15. What does it mean? Ipsita, can you explain? Ipsita, are you there? Can you explain? What does it mean? Okay, anyways. Okay, tell me. Here it is given. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 15. So we can consider there are two digits, one is unit digit, another is tens place digit. So let us consider one digit to be x. So what will be the another digit? Obviously it will be 15 minus x. Why? Now look, in the number 96, if I tell you in a two digit number, the sum of the digits is, in a two digit number, the sum of the digits is 15 and the unit digit is 6. So what will be the tens place digit? Obviously 15 minus 6, that is 9. Is that clear? If I say that in a two digit number the sum of the digits is 15 and the unit digit is 6, so what will be the tens place digit? Obviously 15 minus 6, that is the sum of the digits minus the given digit. Here we have considered the unit digit to be x. So automatically the tens place digit, it will be 15 minus x, because 15 is the sum of the digits. Clear? Okay. So write down question number 4. Let the unit digit be x. Therefore, the tens place digit is 15 minus x. Now read the next line. What is given? The number obtained by interchanging the digit. So for that case, first of all, we have to find out, yes, who is there? Others? Can you see the board properly? So now stop. So if you are find difficulty in seeing the board, that means you have some network issue. Okay. Now, am I audible? Am I audible now? Okay. So, if you have any doubt, you can ask me up to this step. I will repeat. But if you do not have any doubt, we will go further. Let me repeat it once again. What is given? What is given? The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 15. We have considered the unit digit to be x. Therefore, the tens place digit, it will be 15 minus x. So, the number will be obviously tens place digit into 10 plus unit digit, as you all know. So the number will be 15 minus x into 10 plus x. Just calculate it. 150 minus 10x plus x equal to 150 minus 10x plus x. It gives you minus 9x. Okay. So therefore write down. Therefore the number is 15 minus x into 10 plus x, that is 150 . Why multiplied by 10? Yes, good. Thank you. look for tens place digit, whatever is there in the tens place digit, we have to multiply 10 with it, and whatever is at the unit digit, we have to multiply 1 with it. Multiplying by 1, it doesn't make any sense. That is the number itself, other than the number x, we have x into 1, always x, the number itself. So we can easily write 15 minus x, that is the tens place digit into 10 plus unit digit. Okay, so that is 150 minus 9x. We are just writing these things here because this thing we are writing here is to make the concept clear to you. So this is our actual sum. This is how you have to do it in the exam. So 150 minus 10x plus x, that is 150 minus 9x. Okay. Now look, what happens if we just change the digits? What happens if we just replace the digits or interchange the places of the digits? That means the unit digit will become the tens place digit, and the tens place digit, that is 15 minus x, it will become the unit digit. Numerical example you can take. Suppose 57. 57 is a two-digit number. If you interchange its digit, the number will be 75. Just like that. Now, it is not clear. Okay, stop talking. So 57, if we consider a number 57 as a two-digit number, and the number obtained by interchanging the digits, 7 is at the unit place and 5 is at the tens place for the number 57. But when the number interchange their places, the 7 comes to the tens place and 5 comes to the unit place, so it becomes 75. So just like that, when 15 minus x come to the unit place and x come to the tens place, the new number will be similarly tens place digit into tens place digit into 10. Again I am repeating. Now our tens place digit is x. It has just come here, and unit place digit is 15 minus x because they have interchanged their places. So tens place digit x, unit digit 15 minus x. Therefore the number will be tens place digit into 10 plus unit digit, that is 15 minus x. So it will be 10x minus x, that is 9x, and plus 15. Is that clear to all of you? Is that clear? Okay. Okay. So we will be writing the number obtained by interchanging the digits. It is 10x plus 15 minus x, that is 9x plus 15. Okay. So we are remaining with the equation form and solving only. Okay. So I will request everyone, first of all copy the whole thing up to this step, then we will be solving, then we will form the equation and solve it, because I have a very small board and I do not have any extra space. So for the calculation part I need space, that's why I have to erase the whole thing. Do it up to here. Also copy the whole this thing also. Do it fast. I am giving you 1 minute. Do not reply done. Okay? If you are done, just keep quiet. If you are done, just keep quiet. I am giving you 1 minute. Now, okay. Now stop talking. Yes, ma'am. Students, just follow the instruction. The ma'am says. Here the question is you have to find out the number means the original number. We have solved the equation. We have find out x equal to 8. But the final answer it will be what is the original number. So write down. Therefore, the number is 150 minus 9x, that is 9 into 8. What is the result? Yes, 150 minus 72, that is 78. Is that clear? Any doubt, anyone? Answer is this is not clear to you. This is not clear to you. This is not clear to you or not? Clear. Good. So what we have done? We have find out. Listen to me. We have find out the original number, that is 150 minus 9x. The number obtained by interchanging the digits is 9x plus 15. Their difference is 9 because what is given? The number obtained by interchanging the digits exceeds, replace it with minus sign, the original number by 9, that means equal to 9. Solve the equation, you will get x equal to 8. So your number will be 150 minus 9x, that is 78. Okay. Everyone read question number 5 carefully. The difference between a 2-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digits is 63. Let me explain the sum first. In a 2-digit number, we all know it will have a unit digit and a tens place digit. Look here, nothing is given. Neither of the tens place digit nor the unit digit nor their sum is given. So what we have to do? We have to consider that the tens place digit to be x and the unit digit to be y. Here we have to consider two variables. The sums can be done in different ways, but this is the easiest way. Okay. So we have to consider the tens place digit to be x and the unit digit to be y. So tell me what will be the number? Obviously, 10 place digit into 10 unit digit plus, so it will be 10x plus y. This is the original number. Now when the digit interchange their places, so y come to the tens place digit and x comes to the unit digit. So for this case, the number will become tens place digit, that is y into 10 plus unit digit, that is x. Okay, so this is new number or the number obtained by interchanging the digits. Is this clear to all of you? If you have any doubt, you can raise. Okay. Read the question carefully. Yes, I am repeating. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. I am repeating. Listen to me carefully. Here we have to consider both the tens place digit and the unit digit, because nothing is given. Only it is says that, only the sum says the difference between a two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digits is 63. We do not know neither of the tens place digit, unit digit, nor their sum. So we have to consider the tens place digit to be x, unit digit to be y. Therefore, our original number will be 10x plus y. When the digits interchange their places, the new number becomes 10y plus x. So write it down. Let the tens place digit be x and the unit digit be y. Therefore, the number will be obviously 10x plus y. Next line, the number obtained by interchanging the digits here. Hello? Can you hear me? Look, we have okay, let me repeat it. We have considered that this number is greater than this number. So difference means always we have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So this one is smaller, this one is greater, as we have considered. So this number minus this number gives you 63. That is given condition. That's why we have written by the problem. Therefore, we are just omitting the bracket and calculating. 10x plus y, it will be as it is, minus 10y, so minus 10y, plus into minus x equal to 63. 10x is positive, minus x, so it will be plus 9x, plus y, minus 10y, so it will be minus 9y. We are taking 9 common from these two numbers. Okay, so we are taking 9 common, so it will become x minus y equal to 63. That implies x minus y equal to 63 by 9, that is 7. Okay, what we have to find out? We have to find out the difference between the digits, the difference x minus y, that is 7. Okay, so what will be your answer line? Therefore, the difference between the digits okay, let me write it down first. The difference between the digits is 7. Now is it visible? Okay. Okay, mute yourself. Mute yourself and copy the whole thing. So we are done with question number 1, 2, 4 and 5. Question number 3 and question number 6 we'll be doing in our next class. Yes? Yes, who is there? Yes? No. The difference between the digits. Okay, we are not writing the digits are. The difference, it is a singular thing. Okay, we are just trying to find out the difference. So that's why it is single. It only is. If we had to find out the digits, then we would have write the digits are, then not a single digit. There you have to write 2 or more digits. Okay. Here the digit, so difference of the digits is 7. That's why. Okay. Copy it.